to episode 2 of Exhausted Exotics, where we're going to go over all of the details of this 1988 Porsche 944S. I'm here with Sonny.
Hey guys.
And let's get into it. So we have a special guest this week.
Okay.
We have Casey Putsch of Casey Putsch's YouTube channel, as well as the No Snob Porsche 944 squad. So I think I heard him pull up here. I think you might actually be here. Let's go see. This isn't a 944.
Yeah, no, I just got another 944.
So welcome. I wanted to show you this guy and see what you think about it. You know, give me your Casey Putsch opinion on this.
Okay, so first I got to figure out what it is. It's an S.
Yes, it is.
So let's see here. It's the kind of original naturally aspirated bumper. So is it a 3-liter or smaller?
2.5 liter.
2.5, so 16 valve, right?
Yep, exactly.
Okay, super cool. Looks nice. The seats are the seats are perfect.
Yeah, it's like they just came out of the factory. I was shocked.
I largely judge 944s on their interior.
Yes. Yeah.
That how nice the interior is kind of tells you a lot about the rest of the car.
Correct. Yes, it does.
Is that the original dash?
It is. No cracks.
It's literally perfect.
Yes. Yes. I think this thing's been. It has the sunshade. I think that it's been consistently like
in garage and stuff.
In garages, and if they parked it in a parking lot, it had the sun reflective shade in it.
Okay.
I think it's been. I think everything is here, including the incredible like vintage '80s car phone.
Wait! I see this, dude. Yes.
It actually works.
This is gorgeous. What's miles?
We're at 87,000.
Yeah. So, how many people have had it?
There's been two people that have had it, but the last person that had it only drove it for like 27 miles.
That makes sense, because usually a 944 to be kept nice is still stock. It's ordered in a, I'm going to say, dignified, mature color scheme, which, by the way, I really like this.
Yeah, nougat brown metallic is what they call it. Nougat brown, yes.
I remember seeing a Maserati Bora once.
Really?
Similar kind of color, maybe a little more coppery. But what's pretty about this is in the light of the sun, I see it kind of brings up some like rose, pinkish warmth.
Yeah, exactly. Almost like a rose goldish brown.
Running, driving, okay?
Yeah. No issues. I mean, we've got the standard Porsche problems with the HVAC. Just blows hot. It feels like we're in a sauna, like Russian sauna.
No, a banya spot?
Yeah.
For some reason, I've had a couple of 944s in the past where they'll just stick on full blast hot.
Yeah.
Is that kind of what it's doing?
Yeah.
Does the compressor kick on, do you know?
It does.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Yep.
And so, since I'm guessing it's a low-owner car and it's largely stock, it was probably, wow, that's nice. Oh, and they did the fuel line.
Yeah, they did. Yeah,
so
nice steel braided. Yeah.
Bursting into flames sometimes.
Exactly. Could be. There's like some weird thing in the door that I don't know what it is either.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this thing here. I haven't figured it out yet.
Oh, look at that. Oh, what's that?
I don't know.
Huh.
So it maybe goes to that thing that
it's
we don't
know. It's an 80s wiretap,
It
dude.
is. It's Russian, I'm pretty sure.
That's fascinating.
Yeah, right. Pretty sure the KGB is still listening.
Pretty sure the KGB is still listening.
I mean, it does say West Germany on the
West Germany. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, it's,
I would love to have your opinion on this guy. We'll kind of go over it quickly, like
this car's gender.
Yes, yes, that is true. Yes, we won't do that. We can go over they.
It's a dude, though.
Yeah,
Maybe.
Yeah, their gender.
We'll find out.
Anyway, what we anyways, we got the HVAC problem that we're going to fix. Sonny and I are going to go through the sunroof, which is not working. There's some things there, some latches messed up.
Do the electronic things not go up and down?
They do not. Nothing even makes a sound. Right. So that's going to get fixed. Number 3 guy is the radio. Like I said, it just screams demons from somewhere else.
Me too.
So we're going to fix.
Just doesn't. Oh, it sounds like.
It just goes.
Oh, can you? If you end up selling it, can you hit me up first?
I definitely will give you
this is really pleasant.
First option. Yeah. If Sonny doesn't decide to buy it.
I have dibs on it.
Oh, he's got
I have dibs on
it. We have a bid war here.
Yeah. Cool. Okay.
Awesome. So I don't know. You want to hop in and give it a run?
Oh, you want to drive it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. You want me to drive?
Yeah. That's great.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah.
You got that? Okay. Oh, that is smooth. That's perfect.
Even with stock exhaust, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Here
at Exhausted Exotics, we use Crushproof Tubing's exhaust hose. For any time that we turn on the car in the garage bay, we use this hose to be able to get the fumes out. So it's super simple. And if you have a garage at home, you do any work on your own cars, we highly recommend going to ExhaustAway, ExhaustAway.com, and purchasing whatever's going to work. We have these wire hose adapters that will go onto these reels. We also have directly out the door systems as well.
I can still hear you.
Oh, that's not one. Oh, it's this one. Oh, that's what's broken on my turbo. Okay. This car's really nice. Okay, so a few things. I don't know if it has the original clutch or not. Well, that's one thing, and I don't know about the S, but the original ones had like a rubber center.
Okay.
And if the center of the clutches degrade, it won't spin, but it'll have a lot of driveline lash. So it'll be like clunk,
Gotcha.
clunk every time you slow down and speed up. But this feels like daisy fresh.
Okay.
Wow, the shifter has virtually nowhere left or right here.
Mm-hmm.
The shifter's in 944s. It's a long metal rod that goes back to the transaxle because they have transmissions in the back of the car, as you know.
Uh-huh.
It has a torque tube, which the shaft and torque tube spins at full RPM of the engine, whatever, and the clutch is up here. Gearbox feels perfect. But what happens is the middle, the hole in the shaft can kind of like wallow out, and then also the pin in the stock shifter comes out. I think it just has a clip, and it will also wallow out. And what'll happen is you get a lot of play left to right.
Yeah.
And the fix for it, which is more than a fix, it's a massive upgrade. There's a place, I think it might even be Ohio. It's like 944 or something or other, and they make a total replacement shifter that has linear thrust bearings and a bearing on the inside, and it gets rid of all play.
Right.
It makes it like laser precise and smooth. It's amazing. I think 944s, when they're right like that, are probably the best feeling shifter ever.
Nice. Yeah.
Like certainly one of the best.
Yeah.
So anyway, so looking here, so water temp's like right in the middle. I would assume it's accurate. Obviously we have fuel. Your gauges are beautiful. The orange of the needles is perfect. So there's none of that weird like surface corrosion going on. Volts is showing like dead solid at 13. Oil pressure, we're up to water temperature. Doesn't necessarily mean the oil temp's up yet, but certainly getting there. We got plenty of oil pressure here. 3,000 RPMs is showing 4.5 bars. So
it's normally between 4 and 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean 4 bars
high,
is like just shy of 60 psi.
Yeah.
So you got great oil pressure. Everything's great. I mean this is lovely. I'm watching these, and we're not driving on the best roads.
No,
right?
this is pretty horrible.
So this tells a lot. Let's any cops are. Oh, I got a truck behind me. I see what you mean about suspension. It's a little soft, isn't it?
Yep, it is. Especially when you get on like a nice curvy road, it's just like the back end wants to get out from you a little faster than it should,
Oh, does it? Okay. And do you know how old the tires are on this?
They're brand new. We just bought new tires.
In their stock size. Which
yep. Correct.
There's a lot to be said for just keeping stock size tires or a factory available wheel size on a 944. They ride a lot nicer. They drive nice. They still stick well. I know people are like, I want 17, 18 inch wheels. I'm like, don't. It's going to suck to drive most of the time. Because most of the time you're driving straight or going through corners and such. And this car was originally designed for that type of tire.
That tire and a 15 inch wheel.
So put on Porsche size diameters and offsets and things like that, even if it's like not 15 inch but 16 inch, and just get really good tires, and that's where you're going to love your car the most. And you're thinking of doing shocks, right?
Yep.
So one thing about 944s you probably noticed, just from age and sitting in gravity, they sag because it has the torsion bars in the back. Which isn't the worst thing in the world because it kind of like entropy lowering.
Right.
So even just putting on like a nice, little more quality performance-oriented stockish shock is fine. And I would suggest that for this car because it's a very dignified, nice, stockish car, and I think a flawless example of what a 944S is. So let's see. We should probably turn around and not go too far. I've only gotten into third gear. But I love these things. You can just shift them with your fingertip. You know what I mean? This is just a joy to shift.
Yeah, it's been the best thing about this car, driving it around, has been shifting. I love shifting. The gear ratio is really, really nice in this car. I love it. The only things that have annoyed me has been braking and spirited driving suspension. I like
Sure.
it just a little tighter. But yeah, I love the car. I really
Well,
do love
and
the car.
no misses, so that's good. It pulls fine. You know, you'd probably enjoy it with an exhaust. And I haven't done this since the early 2000s, but you can get a chip for
Okay.
these little later 944s. And
Okay.
normally you think, oh, that's not going to do much. It's not going to help. Who cares? I did it
Okay.
on my normal, I think it was an 86 I had way back when, and it actually made a big difference. It
Wow.
really perked it up.
Really?
So
Nice.
if you do a reasonable exhaust
Uh-huh.
and do one of those EEPROM type chips or whatnot,
Yeah.
you know, just for this, nothing crazy. You don't need to have a giantly high rev limiter because it's not like it's high compression with crazy cams, you know.
Yeah.
But just slightly changing the ignition curve and fuel map did make a big difference.
Okay.
And it kind of pepping it up, but not making it anything less than dailyable. The other thing that's really nice about 944s, especially when they're a joy, like this one both is and will be even better, since it shifts so nice, you can drive it with very little physical effort.
Yeah.
So this is an excellent daily driving car. Lovely.
Yeah.
Well, and the other thing too is I know that like people, it's sort of funny. Car enthusiasts are kind of weird masochists. They're like, I must have a fast-looking color, red, white, black, and I must have a black interior or Porsche. And so like people, you know, this is a. It's not like champagne. It's not gold. It's not brown, but it's within the warm
Right.
earth tones. You
Yeah.
know, not exactly copper. And this is a brown interior, but I call it like a rich chocolate.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you?
Cadbury.
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 And it is brown, but like,
Yeah.
honestly, man, I like this as an alternative to black.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like black's fine as a sports car and all. If you're dailying and you kind of,
Yeah.
or if you don't bathe enough or something.
Yes. Yes.
But like, this is nice. Just because it gives a little life. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a little happier. Because 944s, I'm trying to think, they didn't really offer any light colored interiors. They're pretty much all black, weren't
I think
they?
so. They had black or this. I think this one was a special order, is from what I understand.
You could have special seats, like with bigger
Yeah.
bolsters and maybe
Yeah.
like fabric on the inside, but they was still black.
Black, yeah, exactly.
And it's a whole thing. It's not just like
Yeah.
the seats or something.
Right. Yep.
So this road is way too nice, which makes me worried this is not the way we came.
Well, it went from like
Mumbai to Ohio.
Yeah, it went to like
Sorry.
or I can jump in and make fun of myself. It went from like Kentucky back road to this. I think it's the crappy roads up here.
Got it.
Yeah. I think
Got it.
I think that when we were leaving the garage, it was the evolution of roads.
I think we're on the right road.
I think it is.
Yeah.
We're now entering future post-apocalyptic AI waste zone.
Exactly.
roads. All right. Well, dude, this is an exceptional car. I'm kind of jealous, but it's the one that would be like this. This is how it ends up being a time capsule, you know? Because usually what happens are when people get a 944, there's a lot of people that buy one of these things because it's an inexpensive Porsche.
Right.
And,
right. It's the
you know-
easiest entry into one, right?
Right.
Apart from a 944 or 924, I mean.
Yeah. Well, but
Yeah.
the thing about it is that's both good and kind of sad. It's a double-edged sword for these cars and collectability and such, or not collectability, but like they're becoming an enthusiast and not just a new car.
Yeah.
You get certain kinds of people that want a cheap Porsche and they don't take care of it.
Right.
And I'll be nice. And then you get enthusiasts who it's really cool that they can afford a less expensive Porsche and they take good care of it. This is the kind of car that avoids almost all that because it's a dignified color combination that the
Right.
people that I want a cheap Porsche to go to the bar and get drunk in, they want a red one
Right,
or
yeah.
a black one.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
exactly.
So that's really good. But anyway, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Excited about your series.
Yeah, thanks for coming out. We really appreciate having you on this week, and hope everybody goes to check out the your YouTube channel.
Yeah, of
Casey
course.
Butch, and then also the 940. What is it? What's
The God, I can't remember.
I
It's
always
the
get
No
confused.
Snub Porsche 944 Squad on Facebook.
Yep.
But honestly, man, you're making better videos than me now. So I hope everybody goes to Exhausted Exotics. Is
Yes,
that it?
That's it.
Sounds right.
Exhausted Exotics.
Yes.
Cool.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Casey.
Yeah, dude.
All
Catch you later.
Yep. Bye.